What's up? Hi, come. Hello, beauty. Guys, it's a perfect opportunity for a photo ops. We'll start with that now. Nice, sir. So stay here, stay. Good, we finish this fast. Otherwise, they'd keep on doing this. Guys, I'm going to request you all to please sit down as the people who are recording are getting you guys in frame. Yeah. There's a lot of time. Thank you all so much. Come guys, I've got a couple of questions for you all as we suddenly have this wonderful furniture collection which has also appeared. This is something I curated.
Reason.
Please, reason. With purpose. No, sir, there is more on the way, so please don't be worried. It's just on the way. It's on the way. Like my career. But guys, while they set this up, I've got a couple of questions.
I'm sorry, guys.
As we also are introducing the world's lowest coffee table. It's the Hobbit collection, which is just launching next year. Come, please. Height? Oh. Okay, guys, they can't get you. Angle? What do you want to do? Yeah, I think they're requesting if you guys could stand because suddenly we are out of frame. Sorry about that. Okay, guys. So, Ria, we're going to start with you. Yeah. Now that we've rearranged the furniture and that's sorted, and it's a good thing that no one's out of frame. Ria, I want to start with you a couple of questions. One is, I went through your collection. It's really, it's beautiful, man. Yes, I did. Did I try on any clothes? Yes, maybe. But the thing is, there's a lot of really quirky elements that you guys have added to it, right? I saw the occasional phantom cigarette, the Natraj pencil. There's a fair bit of nostalgia from the 90s which exists in your collection. What is the reason that you guys chose to do that?
See, the thing is that when we started to think about making a collection, the idea was that, you know, we are really the customer. We are normal girls from Juhu, and we wanted to make the collection about who we are and where we come from. And there's been so much, you know, sort of portrayal of pop culture when you look at European brands or American brands, but there really hasn't been any when you look at a modern Indian urban brand. And, you know, these are the things that Sonam and I grew up with. My mother was very strict with us. We were not allowed, like, to have, you know, soft drinks. We were not allowed to really eat sugar. My mother used to lock, and she still locks the chocolates at in the house and keeps them. Okay, like this is the way that my house functions. So when we used to go back from school, on our way back, we had pocket money. We used to get 50 rupees or 150 rupees a week. I don't remember what it was.
Yeah, you may have gotten 150 50 rupees. I used to get 80 rupees.
Yeah, but I'm just saying. So we used to go back, and there used to be like a proper like kinare ki dukan, and we would sit and we would have like your, and like you know, Max oranges and Phantom cigarettes and candies and things like that. And this is what you grew up with. You know, you went to Chanda and you bought a samosa, you got your Simba chips. Like this was your life. So we were just really inspired by that, and we wanted to do something that could be like an inside joke for just, you know, Desi girls. Like, you get this, I get this. This is what we both know. Nobody else in the world would get this. This is what we grew up with. This is ours, you know.
This is our pop culture.
Yeah. And that's really what it was. We're really proud of where we came from. We really love where we come from. And we just wanted to show that in the most fun way that we could.
Right. And that really does show. It's a huge celebration of stuff that I think no matter who you are, where you're from, it's the glue that all of us have been bound by in many ways. Everyone's grown up with these things, you know, yeah. And it's a beautiful form of nostalgia. Now, it's a long-term process, right? You guys are going to be creating lines constantly.
Govind will say that we've really harrowed them.
Driven them insane.
Govind's not speaking only.
I can't.
So what is, now I'm curious to know, this is what this drop looks like. What does the next drop look like? And it's available for a look also in the next room, correct?
Correct. So basically what we're trying to do is we're trying to keep it as fresh and interesting for our girls as we possibly can. So our first drop is influenced by where we grew up, and then comes where we are at now, you know. So we have the emoji collection, which is like, I'm obsessed with emojis. Sonam and I are both obsessed with everything to do with the internet. We love social media. And I feel like, you know, for young girls, the internet sometimes becomes a negative place. Like, people judge you, or they say, you know, crap about you that you don't really want to hear because they're hiding behind a username. But you can take that culture and you can make it positive. You know, you can wear something on your outfit that says exactly what you feel in that moment. And there is something really strong about a piece of clothing that makes you feel exactly the way you want to feel in that moment, and says what you want to say in that moment. And it's a fun way to do it. So the 90s nostalgia is where we came from, and the emoji collection is kind of where we're at now. And then there's the Mithai collection, which is our contemporary Indian. So we did Mogra, and then we have Mithai. So basically, Sonam is obsessed with mithai. Yeah. And mithai is really pretty, and I've seen so many cupcakes and macaroons and all on like Western dresses.
Which is not a culture, and so it was easy to, it wasn't easy, but the idea is to put the modern Indian girl, to make them comfortable with what we are trying to show them.
Yeah, and they're such beautiful shapes, and they're so pretty, and why not celebrate them? And mithai makes everybody happy. Like, if mithai doesn't make you happy, then I can't be your friend.
Just don't eat your clothes, basically.
You can eat our clothes.
You can
if something happens, you can email Govind.
Yeah. you come there, someone's lying down with a wardrobe overloaded. Sonam, I have a question for you. Why did you choose, when you guys decided to curate and design a brand, why did you choose a high street brand instead of high-end luxury? That's a question that I'm curious about.
First of all, we wanted to make it, I know when people look at me and they're like, oh my God, there's this 5'9" actress person who walks the red carpet at Cannes. And the idea was to bring who I am and what my sister is to a contemporary young Indian girl who can't necessarily afford the kind of clothes actresses wear, but wants to be as glamorous and comfortable. So it's affordable glamour, affordable luxury, according to me, because the fabrics are amazing, the designs are very well thought of. And we made it, Riya and I made it for young Indian girls and women who work, who go to college, who want certain fabrics, who want certain silhouettes. I know all of you all know that I've battled with body issues. I've written about it, I've spoken about it for many, many years. And it's been a journey. So when I wear my clothes, they're almost like a shield, so that people don't see my body, but they see what I'm wearing. And I don't want girls to feel that. I want them to be comfortable. My sister feels a similar way. And so we wanted it to be so accessible, affordable, and we didn't want them to be intimidated by the clothes. And they had to be glamorous and fashionable and fun. So that's what it is.
Right. And congratulations, you guys are almost already sold out. It's like crazy.
The sizes are going really fast. Our bags have gone pretty fast. Can't believe it half of the time, but when Govind says something to me, I'll believe him.
Yeah, we believe you, Govind.
So Govind, here's the question for you. As we love the stuff, we've talked a lot about it, but can you tell us where all will the collection be available? How can it all be accessed?
So as of now, it's available in 20 stores. By the end of second half, we should be available all 80 stores. It is also available online and on our app as well.
As of
so
now.
the whole India can access it.
We just went online now.
Yeah.
So
Right now.
We're on shopperstop.com. We have our
And on the
microsite.
app, right?
Yes. That's
so.
right.
And the full collection is officially available now. Earlier it was just a campaign images and we were tweaking the website and now
It's all there.
It's all there, guys, so you can
Oh
buy
my
it on-
God.
So post this, you know where you're going. But guys, we're also going to open up questions from the audience. If there are any things you guys want to ask, any questions about the line, the clothes, or anything, we're going to pass a mic around. So I believe that is not a question. Yeah. So anyone? Yes, ma'am. Can we pass a mic to the lady, please? We're on our way. Could you stand up, ma'am? Yeah. You could stand up and ask the question. There's a mic right there. 1 second. There you go.
Hi, Sonam.
Hi, how are you?
Okay, so my question is both of you. So, as your reason is I'm sorry. Okay, so reason is completely showcase a cherishing childhood theme. So I just want to know, is there any like a most embarrassing or quirky nickname of yours which your parents has addressed it?
My parents called me what? My dad
Nickname.
Nicknames? My father used to call me Giraffe because I had a really long neck.
Amba.
Amba.
So tall.
And
I remember.
And my family and my friends call me Senior now.
Okay.
Senior Kapoor.
Senior giraffe.
My sisters always had been the cool ones, so nobody ever tried to make
I just
her.
had like Ryu, Riri.
Yeah.
My new friend calls me Riri.
Yeah.
And yeah, dude, just like, oh, Boni Chacha used to call me Chipkali. Because I was so skinny and I was so, like I didn't like eating when I was young and I was just like
I don't know
skinny.
what happened.
And then all of a sudden, around 13, 14, I was like, food. I went insane. But yeah, that was my nickname. I wish people called me Chipkali and I'd be like, thanks.
Thanks. Could you
सोनम,
pass it
रिया,
around?
आपके राइट मेरा सवाल है कि बचपन की कुछ अगर यादें आप शेयर कर सकें कपड़ों के लिए कभी लड़ाई झगड़े होते थे एक दूसरे के कपड़ों के साथ कुछ ऐसा
बचपन में मेरी जो हम लड़ाई तो कभी नहीं करते थे रिया और मैं बहुत ही करीब हैं बचपन से ही और मेरी माँ जो है वो एक फ़ैशन डिज़ाइनर होती थी वो कपड़े बनाती थी तो हमारी जो चाइल्डहुड है वो कपड़ों मतलब फ़ैशन और फिल्म से बहुत भरपूर बहुत ही देयर वाज अ लॉट ऑफ दैट बहुत सारी चीज़ें थी ऐसी तो हाँ बहुत सारी ऐसी यादें हैं पर हमारे एक बहुत ही साधारण सिंपल वे ऑफ लिविंग था 90s में हमारे पास सेल फोन्स नहीं थे हमारे पास सोशल मीडिया इतना नहीं था कंप्यूटर्स बहुत कम चलते थे हम जाते थे तो एक बॉक्स होता था कंप्यूटर के लिए जब और 1 घंटा मिलता था एक हफ्ते में कंप्यूटर के साथ खेलने में और मोडेम होते थे इंटरनेट के लिए जब मैं 15 साल की थी यू रिमेंबर
Of course, everything took 1 hour to...
Dial up.
मोडेम होता था और फिर आई थिंक जब मैं 15-17 साल की थी तभी ICQ याहू मैसेंजर हॉटमेल ये सब शुरू हो गया you know that what is it SA or sex age or ASL oh my god मुझे ये सब याद है तो वो सब बहुत धीरे धीरे शुरू हुआ मगर मुझे याद है रिया और मुझे याद है जब बचपन में हमारे जो वांट्स और नीड्स थे वो बहुत ही सिंपल थे और हम वो ही चीज़ हमारे कपड़ों में लाना चाहते हैं टू सिंप्लीफाई लाइफ टू अंडरस्टैंड द सिंपल ब्यूटीज़ ऑफ लाइफ एंड दैट वाज अ होल आइडिया जब रिया हम स्वीट्स और थोड़े थोड़े कैंडी सिगरेट्स के साथ और ये सारी चीज़ें को दिखा रहे हैं हमारे कपड़ों के तौर बट दैट्स व्हाट वी ट्राई टू रिक्रिएट
So our company, Sonam and I, the first company that we started together is named after my nani, Duru. And
Draupadi, but
Draupadi,
we
but
won't call
everyone
her
called her
that.
Duru. And so basically, you know, the thing is, my Nana worked in the State Bank of India, and he had a very high post, but my Nani used to always tell me that they didn't have a lot of money to spend on like clothes or, you know, things like that. They had a very beautiful home and they had everything, but the disposable income was less because he was a very simple man, my Nana. So my Nani taught herself how to stitch clothes. She taught herself how to do flowers. She taught herself how to bake. And that creativity came into my mother and my Masi. And I think that her spirit sort of lives in us.
Yeah.
And she was a very simple woman who loved music and loved clothes and loved flowers and loved all the most amazing things in life that you can get at any price. You know, it doesn't matter. It's not about it being expensive. So that's basically the idea, the soul of the brand. Yeah.
आपकी ब्रांड के कपड़े कई इंडस्ट्री के आपके दोस्तों तक भी पहुंचे थे, उनके कॉम्प्लीमेंट्स भी आए होंगे।
हाँ
कोई
जी।
पर्टिकुलर कॉम्प्लीमेंट जो याद आता हो आज अभी?
रिया, मैं और शॉपर स्टॉप ने भी मेड श्योर कि हर जो इंडस्ट्री में जो भी लड़कियां हैं, हमारे जो भी दोस्त हैं, जो भी फैशन एडिटर्स हैं, प्रेस में जो भी हैं, हमने उन सबको रीज़न के कपड़े भेजे और हमने कभी किसी को नहीं कहा कि ये पोस्ट कीजिए। उन सब ने अपने आप पोस्ट किया है क्योंकि उन्हें पता है कि हम जो भी काम करते हैं वो हम स्पेशली वेयर इट कम्स टू फैशन हम दिल से करते हैं और ये हमारे लिए एक मॉनेटरी आई मीन वी ऑल वांट टू मेक मनी गोविंद बट ये हमारे लिए
Govind smiled.
पर ये हमारे इट्स नॉट अबाउट मनी, इट्स नॉट अबाउट सेलिंग, इट इज़ अबाउट saying it's about passion. It's about saying that there is no reason that you can't do anything. You can do whatever you set, especially for girls and women out there. There is no reason you can't do anything. There's every reason to just look forward and be empowered, and that is the whole idea also behind Reason.
Thank you. Yes, ma'am.
Hi Riya, hi Sonam, Hesha here.
Hi.
First of all, congratulations on Reason.
Thank you.
We've all seen the collection, and I have this one question that I want to know personally. Out of everything that you guys have made for all the other girls out there, which one's your favorite? Like one outfit that you and Riya both love the most?
I honestly really like the saris, but because we made it for young Indian girls, it's a little
Average
short
Indian
for
girl
me.
is 5'6".
Yeah, I like Indian girl sizes. I'm just a giant human being. So we're going to hopefully make clothes for tall girls also. Yeah. But I love everything. For me, the denim is amazing. I'm not somebody who's ever been comfortable wearing denim. And we made it so that the jeans fit just a little high enough. You know how we don't like wearing, Indian girls really don't like wearing low-rise jeans, right? So they're high-rise and they're stretchy, so nothing like comes out
And they
and
hold
oozes
you.
out, they hold you. I'm sorry guys, too much information. But I really like the jeans and I love my mom's jacket. It's called the mom's jacket. It's been inspired by my mom's old jacket and I really like that, so yeah.
So I love the palazzo sari, what I'm wearing right now. Basically, I love wearing saris because I'm a curvier girl, you know, and I just feel like more younger in them and I just feel sexier in them. But because, you know, you go out to a Sangeet and you have a couple of drinks or whatever, and then you end up stepping on your sari and it ends up unraveling and you look like a mess and the pictures are bad and, you know, it's just a disaster. Cyrus knows.
Yes,
I've
seen
told
this.
him to untag me in several pictures.
Yeah.
Just kidding. But I'm saying that, like, when you're traveling, like, you're going to go out with your friends, or you're going for a Tash party in Diwali or whatever, you don't want to ask someone to drape your sari, you don't want to deal with it. So the palazzo sari, it's literally just pants. You put it on, you zip it up, and you throw your pallo over.
Guys, by the way.
It's the easiest.
And there's a zip here, and you just take this and you just put it
It's just like, it's like
2
wearing a loose trouser that looks like a feminine sari. It's my dream come true in an outfit.
I love
because
wearing
I am really, like, I'm a tomboy, I'm clumsy, I'm just like, and I wear sneakers half the time. I'm all about comfort. So I love that. And that's going to be a constant in all our collections because, you know, looking beautiful should be easy also. It can't always be so complicated. And the second thing I would say, I also love the jeans, but the contemporary Indian, which is like the Mogra and the Mithai collection, are my favorite because I feel they're the most inventive. And, you know, you don't always want to overdress when you go to like an Indian occasion, like a puja or, you know, a Diwali party or even Holi or something like this. You don't want to always create like, because you're modern, urban girls, right? You want to go to work and then maybe you want to go to a
work
party.
if you guys want to wear. The Mithai print has this beautiful like tunics with churidars and stuff like
and they
that.
can all be worn with jeans and
and-
jackets and things like that. So yeah, I feel like that's my favorite part. And I just like all the pieces of the collection that feel like they have
I
added
like
to it.
everything.
I love everything.
Yeah. Thank you.
Sonam, hi, it's Ankita.
Hi, Ankita.
First of all, congratulations for Reason.
Thank you.
And Cannes 2017 is just round the corner.
We're leaving tomorrow.
You're leaving tomorrow and you're walking the red carpet on 21st and 22nd. So how excited you are, first of all, and how do we see Sonam this year? Along with this, Deepika Padukone is also making her debut in
Yeah.
Cannes under the same brand L'Oreal Paris.
Yes.
So
L'Oreal Paris, are we allowed to say that?
L'Oreal
Because-
Paris, I mentioned. So, any advice or any wishes you would like to give her?
I mean, I hope she has a good time because I don't think I should be giving advice to someone who has already walked several international red carpets. I just believe in being myself, and honestly, my sister styles me. We haven't actually prepped that much this time because we had a brand that we were launching. I'm shooting for 2 films. She's making a film called Veere the Wedding. And for the past couple of years, we decided not to pressurize ourselves and just have a good time, and we've got the best reviews because of it. So we don't think about it too much. It's not about the status quo, status symbol of being on the red carpet. We're going for a brand. If it was a movie, I would be like, oh my God, I'm so stressed out. I'm going to faint on the red carpet. Can I go in my pajamas? But because it's for a makeup brand and it's something that I really enjoy doing, it's about looking beautiful. And you can only look beautiful if you're happy inside and if you are confident. And that is, again, something that is very empowering. And that's Indian. But I used to like Nutan. वो trousers पहनती थी और बहुत ही खूबसूरत लगती थी. And she wore, so yeah, Sharmila Tagore, Nutan. But अगर हम 90s के बारे में बात करें, so even Raveena Tandon in that song, you know, oh Shilpa Shetty and Akshay Kumar in that song.
Chura ke
Chura ke dil mera.
But have you ever tried like to copy them? Like you go to a tailor and tell them, I want this particular dress. ऐसे कभी
मैं जब भी 13 साल की थी 14 साल की थी अगर मैंने मम्मी को
maybe
कहा
18, 19 years.
no 18 years old मैं already acting कर रही थी तब तक
या फिर कभी ऐसे ट्राई किया हो कि I want this particular dress इस तरह का डिजाइन किया
No,
हो?
I thought that if I can get an outfit like Lolo, I'm gonna look so cool, but it was a mess.
no हम लोग नहीं कर सकते हम करिश्मा has a
I'm not
very
Karishma Kapoor.
different body type to me
Picture and
सोनम जी एंड रिया जी आपके सामने
हाँ जी।
सबसे पहले तो कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशन
Thank you.
इसके अलावा हम सभी जानते हैं कि आप एक बेहतरीन एक्टर हैं एंड रिया जी आप एक प्रोड्यूसर भी हैं और अब ये क्लोथ भी आ रहा है आप लोगों का, तो हम ऐसा माने कि इन फ्यूचर आप लोग बिजनेस वुमेन बनने की तैयारियां कर रही हैं या हम
मगर हम like we said there's no reason we can't हम फिल्म इंडस्ट्री की
मैंने सोचा हम बिजनेस वुमन ऑलरेडी बन गए थे.
हाँ
हम मतलब फिल्म्स भी एक बिजनेस ही है. हाँ मेरी बहन जो है वो 21 साल की थी जब उसने आयशा बनाई और how old were you when you made खूबसूरत रिया?
I was 23 when it started.
26,
So no, we've
yeah.
been business women since we were very young. We've had our own businesses. I run Anil Kapoor Film Company.
She is the boss. I am her employee.
I mean, let's be honest, AK is the boss. But
He's
actually,
really,
you know.
he's somebody who's not present.
So yeah, we've really tried hard to be honest and smart businesswomen, but do it with whatever we're passionate about, what we love. We don't do anything unless we really love
Integrity
it.
जो चीज़ है वो हमारे जहन में है और हमें लगता है कि जो भी काम हम करें वो उसके साथ ही करें, you know.
एंड रिया जी आपके घर में हमने देखा है ज़्यादातर लोग एक्टर ही हैं, नेशनल अवार्ड विनर एक्टर हैं, तो आप भी प्रोड्यूसर, हम आपको भी देखेंगे इन फ्यूचर एक्टिंग में?
This is not enough. और कितना करूँ भाई? मैं मर जाऊँगी. नहीं, I'm not a personality type. मेरी personality actor की personality नहीं है. I'm very.
What is an actor's personality?
No, I mean I feel like when you're an actor, you really have to trust other people and do it from, from your heart. I am a big control freak. I don't trust anybody. I'm being honest.
I trust
I do everything myself. I try to do as much as I can myself. I'm crazy. I have to change that about myself. But I would have killed everyone. I can't do it. And I don't like looking at myself or hearing myself. So when you guys take pictures of me also, I feel pain. I'm very conscious and I'm not, I can say that. I don't feel bad about it. It's not me. And I never wanted to be famous.
We would like to see you act, right, Sai?
Yeah, come on.
I don't want to be famous. I like being unknown. I don't want people looking at me everywhere I go. I've grown up with a famous father, with a famous sister. And I understand fame. Mujhe pata hai, I know what it means. And I don't like it, to me, honestly. It's too much of a price to pay. I'd rather have my own life. And I'm just being honest, that's my priority, is to have a full life. I don't care if people don't recognize me or whatever.
Sir has had an emotional breakout.
Thanks, Gopal.
Guys, we're down to our last question.
Yes, Cyrus.
I will ignore your question.
I have a question.
Yeah.
I have a question for Mr. Govind. Just wanted to ask you, which is the most selling product from the Rizwan collection?
Sorry, what's the?
Best selling product.
So both of them have their favorite product, and one of her favorite product, the mom's jacket, is completely sold, and we are reordered.
The mom's jacket is one.
And even our bags.
Bags are doing also very well.
Very well. And they're non-leather.
Sold out. There is Gopal there.
Oh, they're sold
the
out?
Scoreboard.
Oh my God. I'm sorry. They're sold out, most of them. So we've reordered them. It's brilliant.
Guys, thank you so much because of shortage of time.
But
thank you all so much for this wonderful chat. Thank you all for being such a gracious bunch of audience. Please join us for lunch, and thank you all very much. Any
राइट कॉर्नर यार बोलो तो राइट कॉर्नर एक मिनट भाई ले ढक्कन मारो ये भाई नीचे बैठ जा नीचे 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 बैठ ओ कौन है सोनम जी डाउन 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 सोनम जी रिया जी बॉटम लिया या बॉटम लिया सोनम यार दे मैडम लेफ्ट में सोनम नीचे नीचे सोनम 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 सोनम